Leading Edge is back with yet another festive show called Make Balhar. We have beautiful 10 brands and very unique. कहाँ हो रहा नाम ये?
वेलकम अहमदाबाद अंतरा गैलरी में हमारा 2 days का शो है. Today and tomorrow. Please do visit and unique collection.
Yes, of course we have beautiful chania cholis. Then we are starting off with some nice men's wear जिससे आपको कोटीज and कुर्ताज मिलेंगे. Very nice. Then we have amazing brands for chania choli. कच्ची work है, पूरा लंबा border के साथ, different and unique. Then we have another brand for sari. Look at these saris, affordable price range में. Festive wear, we have some cute festive wear, and of course we have a lot of 3 different brands for jewelry. So this is one. Then we have festive Navratri and some unique gemstones के साथ. So please do visit. बाकी collection देखना है तो swipe left. So what I am wearing is from this brand called AB by Ayushi Brahmbar, and she's also wearing very beautiful. If you like this outfit, then please do visit. बाकी थोड़ा और collection दिखा दीजिए.
Yes, we have this beautiful chania choli with Gayatri mantra and brocade fabric. Also we have this in black. Also we have lots of option in kachi also, in white also.
Kachi white ma collection છે એમની પાસે.
Yes. Also beautiful dupatta.
Something like this, yes.
Yes. Also we have this beautiful piece in multicolor.
Multicolor માં અગર ગમતું હોય તો પણ છે. Absolutely.
Something like this.
With a very stylish blouse.
Which you can wear in Navratri and wedding too.
Okay.
Also we have this beautiful simple forward piece in Chanderi.
Thank you. So this is Mandwa by Priyanka.
Hello all. We have collection of saris, tissue along with organza. This is our organza with embroidery and handwork both.
Okay.
We also have tissue collection with complete handwork.
Tissue collection with complete handwork.
And this is a very soft tissue.
Okay.
We also have modal silk saris, combination of bandage and ajrak. We have chanderi. We also have sequin with mal cotton. Look at the colors, so beautiful. We also have these chania, different types of dupattas only. We also have a couple of blouses. We have chania cholis. This is silk.
So this is labeled by Priyanka. And what do we have here?
So we have this silk handloom suits, the one that I'm wearing.
Silk handloom suits.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are woven. We have this kurta sets as well. We have patchni kurtas. We have this malmal kurtas at sale prices.
Malmal kurtas at sale prices.
Yeah, we have
okay.
sale prices. We have casual wear as well.
Okay.
Linens. We have dresses.
Dresses, something like this.
We have these kind of short dresses as well.
Short dresses. Okay.
From a new collection.
This is from her new collection that she
We have
has.
cords.
She has cord sets also.
We have cute spaghetti dresses as well.
Something like spaghetti dresses.
We have more into this.
Different colors and patterns in that.
We have this woven anarkalis.
Woven anarkalis.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do have this woven suits as well. You can check.
Okay. Thank you. So this is brand Kishori Creation, and what do we have here?
ये ओमरे है और
ओमरे
उसके साथ
में?
ये ब्लाउज है, उसमें भी ये सब टैशल्स है, गोल्ड प्लेटेड टैशल्स है.
Okay.
दूसरा है ये वाला अल्टरनेट ब्लाउज है.
Something with halter neck and a flare like this. Pretty color. Something in black that they have. Is this vintage? Yes. Vintage much hair, which would look very elegant and stylish. Again, something in multicolor. They have something in anarkalis, જે festive wear માં પણ use થઈ શકે છે. We also have in black and maroon, again with beautiful work done. Tissue style માં છે. Dupattas માં પણ છે.
Spaghetti blouses.
Spaghetti blouses. All right. And something like this. Thank you, ma'am. So this is brand Tavisha.
Silver base 92.5 jewelry and gemstones are real. 95 silver. Different pieces. Oxidized earrings 92.5 and unique pieces. Quality and monzonite pieces. Bracelets, gemstones bracelets, bangles bracelets.
Bangles something that you can wear for weddings, you can wear for festive, you can give for gifting as well.
Kundan earrings and gemstones, gemstone rings.
Gemstones rings
Earrings, gifting materials, finger rings, studs.
These are pendants and studs.
Stones earrings.
Stones earrings. Something like this which would look very elegant. So this is brand Meraki. They have got beautiful menswear and
We have man kurta, kotis and jackets. As you can see, they are embroidered and mirror work, and they are also bandhani kurtas if you want to go for something very light. And you can see, like we have both. If you want to go for a jazzy look, you can go for this. You can also wear it after Sangeet Sandhya or something events like that. Here we have jackets. So they are not proper kachi, they are something unique, so you can wear it on the other occasions as well. So we have also skirts like this. This is actually a skirt and a top, but you can style it like this. So we have chanya choli. Yeah, so you can pair it with the menswear like this and this booty.
okay.
So we have
So here we are going to cover two brands. The first one is Swarnamukh Jewels.
Hi guys, we have anti-tarnish jewelry. It's 18 karat gold plated and it's waterproof. Also we have a festive earrings, we have a Rakhi earrings, we have a 95 silver Rakhis for your brothers. Plus we have a good offer in which you can buy rupees 3,000. You can get free jewelry box as well as a complimentary gift. Plus you can get 20% off if you follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, thank you. And let's move to another brand. And this brand is
Craft Carrot. Hi,
Craft
I'm
Carrot.
Lily. And today we are showcasing entire Navratri collection called the Fusion Sets German Silver. We have this unique headbands also which you can add on it. And these are all earrings, jhumkas and the kadas.
earrings, kadas,
And
something like this,
accessories.
a very good accessory.
and the long statements as well.
So this is brand Krupa's creation. They have got some very unique footwear, and apart from that, something like this as well, a beautiful chanya choli. Well, let's see their collection. Yes, okay, they have something like this.
Vintage chanya,
Vintage chanyas,
crushed chanya,
crushed chanyas, and
Banaras
some very unique blouse.
With chanya, vintage.
Again with something with a vintage border. Something like this with a dupatta as well. Yes. So this is brand Indanique.
Yes, and they are quite affordable. Their saris just start from the range of 2,000. Few pieces are with blouse, ready blouses. इसमें आपको colors भी मिल जाएंगे. Let me show you some unique pieces that they have. We have little bit of heavy wedding collection. Look at this, पूरा handwork के साथ. We have these. We have some party wear. Check these out. उसके अलावा we have some chanias here. जो आपको सेट्स में मिल जाएंगे. Mirror work.
Something in mirror work.
Yes. Then we have dress materials. पूरे materials आपको मिल जाएंगे different colors में. And we also have some tableware. Look at this. Some organizers, some planters, bag, water bottle cover, and this is like a wall decor.